day. Welcome back to another episode of Fix It Tony. Today's job is to replace my filter. I have a air filter that goes in from the cold air return, crosses this filter into my furnace. This is an Aprilaire media cleaner, model 2200. It's hard to focus. So normally, I'm actually going to turn off the fan. So most furnaces have a light switch on it, and that operates the fan. That allows you to service the unit. So what I'm going to do is take off this cover and set it aside. This furnace is about 15 years old. It's on its last leg, and it uses a pleated filter with fins. So this is paper, and it comes in a very narrow box, and then you have to spread it apart, and you have to insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these fin blades in between each of these pleats. As some of you that may stumble across this video know, that getting the first one in is the trickiest, because you have to make sure you really get each one once, and it does take time. If you rush, you get to the very end and you have a gap, and then you have to go back and you discover somewhere over here, you know, 2 of these got pinched into one. So today's job is I'm going to be getting rid of this system, and I got an insert, a conversion kit that allows me to put a complete sort of filter and slide it completely in. So the cannot open with a sharp object. Well, I did, but so this is what I got. So I have an April from model 2200 Space Guard air cleaners. So this helps with the I like that. 1 to 2 or 3 like that. So let's see what's in here. Door seal, do not discard, required for some models. See the instructions. So this is the style I have. All right, looks like you got to put some stuff together. So basically, assemble the frame. Then I have to insert that in there somehow. Hopefully it locks in place. Maybe there's a tab that I gotta push down. And then the new filter just slides right in. All right, well, this is supposed to come with the filter. I guess this is it. All right. Well, we'll sort of play with that as we need to. Let's see here. Shrink wrap. These long poles. These look identical. reading the instructions is cheating. So we're just gonna take a look at this.
That was one.
So I imagine something's gotta go. Here, let's see if I could. Yeah, it looks like I gotta shove this into there, and then it looks like it just clipped. So kind of will do the same thing here. Like that. So one of the things I noticed here, let's see if I can show you, is you gotta get this tab underneath these tabs right here. Okay, and then this little thing, like a spring clip, pops and catches that. So let's see here. All right. So doing this, oh, like this. Oh, I had it upside down. That makes sense. Because there's probably a male groove part in the top, and then this is going to slide in. All right. Well, that was pretty straightforward, huh? So this frame, put off to the side. Let's open this thing. Oh my goodness. This looks worse. Oh boy. So, okay, this thing just coordinates. Oh boy. They say this is just gonna be straightforward, huh? Well, let's see here. I imagine this is gonna have to go in just like that, both top and bottom. Well, that's interesting, huh? Then I gotta fiddle fart with the bottom one too. Okay. All right, let's figure that out. So, okay, certainly, of course, we're gonna have to be mindful of the airflow. They do give us the model number to replace it with. Airflow, you know, as the air comes that way, the arrow, that's the way it's gonna go in. It's gonna go in this way. Alrighty. See how that's going on that one. And all right. That's it. No real tabs. All right. Airflow. I think what I'm going to do, have it collapsed. Yeah, let me see if I can put this camera down. If my light bulb burns out beforehand. Okay, I think that's good. Oh, there goes my light on my camera. Perfect timing. Let's see if I can turn on the light. Let's see here. I'm back. All right, so you can see how it is hanging. All right. And that's it. This creates a seal. You know, I wonder. Yeah, this styrofoam was needed. It helps to insulate the door. Okay. Good thing we kept it, right? And then we just put this back. Now, what I should probably say is going forward, once a year, I will just replace this filter meter. Just line up the tabs, push it in, flip the switch back on, make sure, and it's on. All right, all done.